Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to turn your photos into fun caricatures using just Canva? Let's get started. Click the Create button, select Custom Size from the menu, and enter 300 by 300 pixels to set up your project for this tutorial. Go to the Elements tab and search for the specific image you want. Type men into the search box to find relevant pictures from the gallery displayed on the screen now. Next, select the photo you want to use by clicking on it, then continue to the next step. Select your image and choose the Remove Background option. Once the background is removed, locate and click the Eraser tool. From the Eraser options, select the Magic Eraser. This tool allows you to quickly clean up any remaining background areas. To start entering data, click on the Input field and begin typing your information. You can add as many entries as needed by pressing the Enter key after each one. If you make a mistake, simply use the Backspace key to remove unwanted text. Once you've finished adding your data, review it carefully to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, click the Save button to store your entries and move on to the next step in the process. Make sure to include all required information in your submission. Double-check that you have not left out any important details or files before moving forward to ensure your work is complete and meets all the necessary requirements. Click the Erase button to remove the section you don't need. Once you've finished erasing, navigate back to the previous screen. Now, we'll move on to cropping the content. Select the Crop tool and adjust the frame to highlight the area you want to keep. When you're satisfied with your selection, confirm the crop to apply the changes. Click Done to save your changes. This will finalize your selections and close the settings window, applying your adjustments immediately. Select this option, then raise the value to see the impact on your settings. Adjust the slider gradually while observing the changes in real time. Make sure to find a balance that fits your needs. Once you're satisfied with the adjustment, confirm your selection and move forward to the next configuration step. Select the head portion you want to remove. With the head part highlighted, locate the toolbar and click the Erase button. This action will immediately remove the selected section from your project. If you need to adjust your selection, simply undo the step or repeat the process for other areas. Remember, using the Erase tool is a quick and effective way to edit out unwanted parts, helping you streamline your project and focus on the important content. Close the current window to exit. Next, locate the area where you want to add the new body element. Click to place your cursor in that section. Now, select the Add option from the toolbar and choose Body from the drop-down menu. The new body element will appear in your project. Adjust its position or properties as needed, and make sure it fits within your desired layout before continuing with the next steps. Click the Position tool and select the head on your character. After selecting the head, we'll convert it to an anime style. Navigate to the Edit menu, then click on the Cartoon option. This will apply a cartoon effect to the existing head, transforming its appearance into an anime-inspired look. Review the changes in the preview pane to see how the cartoon effect has been applied. If you want to make further adjustments, use the available editing tools to refine the head's features or colors. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can save or export your character. Repeat these steps if you wish to apply cartoon effects to other parts of your character. This completes the anime head conversion process. Click to expand this version by selecting the arrow next to its name. This will reveal detailed information, including file history and any associated comments. Reviewing these details helps you track changes and context for this specific version efficiently. Press Ctrl+G to quickly add a background to your selected object. This shortcut applies a default fill, making your content stand out instantly. If you want to customize your background, you can adjust the color and style options in the toolbar. Use Ctrl+G whenever you need to enhance visual clarity efficiently. Use this image as your background by selecting it. Once you have it in place, click the Share button in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Download to save your finalized design to your device and use it as needed. Click Save As, select PNG from the Format drop-down, and then click Save to confirm. You've learned how to make a cool caricature design in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks.